Hello and welcome to The Print. I'm Priya Gulati and you're watching our entertainment wrap Off Script. After much delay, Yash Raj Films has rolled out the first teaser of Alpha and Alia Bhatt stole the show. Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey has surpassed Oppenheimer in advance bookings, but the ticket prices in parts of India has got the fans upset. After multiple delays, the wait for Alpha is finally coming to an end. On Wednesday, the makers unveiled the film's first official teaser, offering a glimpse into the action-packed world of the upcoming spy thriller led by Alia Bhatt and Bobby Deol. Directed by Shiv Rawali, Alpha marks the latest addition to the YRF spy universe. The teaser opens on an intimate note. Baba, played by Bobby Deol, takes his daughter Sia, played by Alia Bhatt, for a dinner at a restaurant to celebrate her 18th birthday. Delighted by the rare gesture, Sia believes the evening is simply a father-daughter celebration, but the mood quickly shifts. Among the birthday gifts is a mysterious code which sets the stage for a revelation. It was an indication for her first mission. The teaser then launches into a barrage of high-octane action sequences, hinting at the secretive world of Alpha, a mission designed to train India's fastest, sharpest, and strongest operatives. While the footage showcases Alia in a never-seen-before avatar, it leaves several questions unanswered, including whether Sia will operate alone or as part of a larger spy network. Alpha has had a long journey to the big screen. The film was initially slated for a Christmas release before being pushed to April 2026. It is now set to arrive in theaters on July 3rd. Explaining an earlier delay, a spokesperson for the production house said that the makers required additional time to complete the film's visual effects work. The film also stars Sharvari, but her character hasn't been revealed yet. Alpha becomes the seventh chapter in the blockbuster spy franchise, following Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai, Tiger 3, War, War 2, and Pathaan. Advance bookings for Christopher Nolan's The Odyssey opened on Monday, triggering a rush among moviegoers eager to secure their seats. According to reports, the film has already sold 1.5 lakh tickets for its opening weekend through advance bookings. The figure is significantly higher than the pace set by Nolan's Oppenheimer, which had sold around 65,000 tickets during the same stage of its booking cycle in 2023. However, the excitement around the film has also led to concerns over steep ticket prices. In several cities, premium format screenings are being sold at unusually high rates. Mumbai and Pune have seen some of the highest prices. Premium recliner seats in select theatres are being sold for as much as 3,200. Evening shows at Cinepolis and Inox Megaplex in Pune are priced between 1,600 to 3,000, while screenings at PVR Lower Parel in Mumbai range from 1,500 to 3,300. Delhi NCR has comparatively lower rates starting from Rs 370 and going up to 1400. In Bengaluru, tickets at Cinepolis Nexus are being sold between 900 to 1000. Kolkata by far has remained relatively affordable, with evening shows in Inox South City priced between 680 to 710. The high prices have left many fans frustrated, with several taking to social media to complain about the cost of watching the film. Based on Homer's ancient Greek epic poem, The Odyssey boasts an ensemble cast featuring Matt Damon, Anna Hathaway, Zendaya, Robert Pattinson, among others. The film follows Odysseus and his perilous 10-year journey back to Ithaca after the Trojan War. The Odyssey is scheduled to release in theaters worldwide on July 17. Tamil filmmaker and actor Bharati Raja passed away on Wednesday due to age-related complications. The 84-year-old breathed his last at his residence in Chennai. The Tamil Film Producers Council confirmed the news of his demise. In a statement, the association said, "We regret to inform you that the legendary director, Mr. Bharati Raja, a former president and one of the senior members of our association, died early this morning." Bharati Raja has been dealing with health issues for some time. He was hospitalized in December last year due to respiratory complications. Earlier this year, he was admitted again after his health deteriorated and was discharged in April. Widely regarded as one of the most influential filmmakers in Tamil cinema, Bharati Raja directed several landmark films over a career spanning decades. His notable works include Sola Vyathinelle, Kizake Pogam Rail, Sigapu Rojakal, Tick Tick Tick, and Mudhal Maryathai. He worked with some of Tamil cinema's biggest stars including Rajnikant, Kamal Hassan and Shivaji Ganesan. His final directorial project was Paravai Kutal Vazu Manangal, a segment in Amazon Prime Video's anthology Modern Love Chennai. His last screen appearance was in director Tarun Murthy's Thadurum in 2025. Bharti Raja is survived by his wife Chandraleela and daughter Janani. His son Manoj Bharti Raja passed away in 2025. Thank you for watching and follow for more.